Hi everybody, it's Susan Phelps.
And Judy Atari.
And Judy, haven't we been here before?
3 times.
3 times. And why are we here today?
Because there's some exciting news. There's some new offerings out at Casa Fresca Crosswind Point.
Casa Fresca Crosswind Point. That's an easy one for me to remember, and yes, we do have some news. So don't go away, and please subscribe
And like.
and comment below, and we'll be right back with that exciting news for Casa Fresca.
I'm excited to share with you some new offerings at Crosswind Point by Casa Fresca. We have been here before with the 40-foot home sites, and now we're excited to announce 50-foot home sites, which allows them to offer a wider floor plan in the homes. So we're going to go look at the Valeria model right now. It is a 4-bedroom, 2-bath, 2-car garage. And I was going to look at square footage real fast because I've forgotten it. 1860 square foot. So smooth. Let's go inside. It's hot. As we mentioned, we are in the Valeria model at Casa Fresca. And Casa Fresca and Homes by West Bay are a regional Tampa builder. So if you're not familiar with that brand, that might be why. So they are now having 50-foot home site offerings, which allows them to offer you a little wider floor plan. It's not such a long, narrow home like some of the thinner home sites. And this 4-bedroom model is quite nice. So let's start. We're in the foyer, and off to the one side are the 2 secondary bedrooms with the full bath. They are offering granite countertops.
And quartz, looks like.
Yep, I'm sorry, granite quartz countertops, I apologize. And I think there still might be some granite. And then carpeting is in all the bedrooms. Good sized bedroom. They all have really nice window light as well.
Tall windows.
Yeah, definitely. And a nice reach-in closet. They've done a little decor item here for inspiration.
It's a green room.
And then we have a more of a pinky influence here. Little music room. Again, reach-in closet. Nice bright windows. Then on the other side of the foyer, we're going to go over here. There is going to be the laundry room and access to your HVAC. There's a 2-car garage right here. Garage door opener. And then the 3rd secondary bedroom, total of 4 bedrooms. And here they've shown it as an office, but it can be set up as another bedroom. Nice guest room. Would even house loft, bunk bed type styles. You could do a lot in this room. It's got a nice wide berth. And then another reach-in closet. This bedroom is 12 by 10, so almost 12 by 11, if anybody wants to know.
Pretty normal these days.
Yep, it's a little wider than it is deep. Oh, let's go. Okay, we've covered the secondary bedrooms. We're back in the foyer area. It's a nice long hallway, so you're not kind of opening the door right into the great room. And right off to this side is going to be your large living area. And a nice vaulted ceiling. Hope Susan can get this a little bit. It's got some nice architectural element that way.
I remember they did the vault ceiling in the other models, didn't they? The 40-foot lots.
I think they have 1 or 2, yep. So they also have some 2-story models as well. So, but here's our kitchen. And this is a gas cooking community. That's a plus for me anyway. It's got the nice granite countertops, the sink in the island, plenty of nice storage space. An extra little butler pantry style thing over here, a little coffee station maybe. And then a nice, really nice size well-lit pantry. It's pretty deep.
Oh, it's definitely a walk-in.
Yep. For a home under 2,000 square feet, it's a really good sized pantry. And then we come to the dining area. Here they're showing a nice wide round table. Some new changes they're also doing. When we first toured Casa Fresca here, they were carpeting the dining area. There's no more carpet in the dining room. So it's a luxury vinyl plank in this home all the way through.
Except for in the bedrooms.
Yep, absolutely. And then here is the outdoor covered lanai area. Wired for your ceiling fan already. They do not enclose them, but this is a nice covered area, and then you can expand back. And there still would be room for a pool if somebody wanted to, although the community has a fantastic, gorgeous pool. We're gonna head over here to the primary suite. So here's our primary suite. It is 13 by 15, if somebody wants to know the dimensions, and it also has the slanted vaulted ceiling. It's a nice little touch.
That adds a lot of feeling of spaciousness.
Absolutely, absolutely. We're coming into the primary suite bath. This would have the shower insert, and then you would have a shower rod. There's a linen closet behind this door, dual vanity sink, the little water closet, and then a very spacious master walk-in closet, primary walk-in closet, also carpeted.
That's a good size.
Definitely. Wait till we talk about the prices.
So Judy, this is a nice home. I love the vaulted ceilings. They've made some nice improvements in their offerings, and the price point can't be beat.
Not at all. So this particular model, there is one available as a quick move-in home sometime this fall, between September and November. As we filmed it, so they are currently offering the blinds package, the luxury vinyl plank, all the appliances, including refrigerator and washer and dryer.
Wow.
That can add up. Trust me, I just bought a refrigerator. But anyhow, this one, there is a model or an offering on site for $402,990.
$402,990.
And they have two finance partners who are offering some nice incentives, possibly helping you buy down the interest rate if you're mortgaging. It's pretty cool. So a 4-bedroom home, 1860 square feet for just over $400 is pretty impressive. They have an Adora floor plan, which is 1420 square feet, and it is a 3-bed, 2-bath, 2-car garage still, and that one's offered at $349,900. And that will also have the blinds package, all the appliances, etc.
Okay.
So a brand new home by a reputable builder in Parrish. It's fantastic. $350,000.
$350,000.
And they have a 6-bedroom Mariana Model for $556,590. So a 6-bedroom, 3.5 bath, 3-car garage for around $556,000, $557,000.
3816 square feet.
So
that's a big home.
Big home, big home. And again, all the appliances.
Is that a 2-story?
I am not
sure. I bet you it is.
It probably is, being a 6-bedroom.
Yeah.
But anyway, pretty cool.
Amazing.
Pretty nice. And the HOA and the CDD fees are manageable as well. Your HOA is going to be $45 per quarter. So $180 a year, nothing. And your CDD is $22.92 per year. It does have a really beautiful pool area in the cabana. It's got a neat little park to kind of hang out, tons of walking trails. And when the amenities are built out at Crosswind Ranch, which is pretty close, you'll have access to those too. So.
Oh, is that still going to remain?
As far as we know, we haven't heard anything different, so we're going to go there.
So we're in the second phase of the Casa Fresca section of Crosswind Point.
Correct, correct. So in Crosswind Point, you still have single-family homes by West Bay. You have single-family homes by Casa Fresca on 40-foot and 50-foot lots, and we still have the villa models. which is a really fantastic plan. I've had several people watch our videos, come down through it, and they're like,
here's that video, watch that one.
But they've said, you know what, you were right. This really doesn't feel like a villa, and it feels much bigger than it is.
It is
so this
good.
company's offering some pretty neat things.
Yeah, it is really
And
good.
their contract process and their build process has been really pleasurable to work with as well. So they're an easy company to work with.
That's always a plus.
Yes.
Our builders around here are stressing out a little bit because the build times are starting to lengthen again. The labor force is a little bit low. And I guess there's still some supply issues with electric transformers, which you ran into in another community that slowed down a closing.
Yep. So, you never know. But right now, they're doing pretty good. We have a couple in progress here that are on target right now. And at Crosswind Ranch, they are doing to-be-builts where you can pick your lots and design, pick your home for that site and everything else.
Check out that video. Those are some big lots with some big houses.
Homes,
Beautiful, right.
Yep. So this company offers a wide range of things, but this new 50-foot lot here at Crosswind Point, they're really nice. I was here about 2 weeks ago, and I was so excited when I walked in. I'm like, oh my gosh, it feels different. It feels homey. It feels warm.
It does. Every time I come out here to meet you for a video, something has changed. Have you gone through the intersection of Moccasin Wallow and 301?
Yep.
That's really different.
Yep. There's still some road changes coming, but yeah, it's actually more clear and more delineated, I guess. Yes.
Well, yeah, you can see now.
Yeah. So all kinds of stuff coming, and we're supposed to break ground on the new Parrish Park August 1st.
Excellent. Okay, and I saw a little bit up on Moccasin Wallow a new Publix.
Yes, that's coming. That's in North River Ranch.
Right.
So much happening.
So much.
Call us, come visit us. We'd love to take you around.
We're here for you.
Do it. Do it.
And don't forget to subscribe.
And like.
And comment below.
And call us.
Call us. We'll see what we can do to help you out. Until the next time, bye-bye.